is Sunday lunchtime-ish, morning-ish. Anyway, Super Bowl Sunday. Some of the kids are coming over later to watch the Super Bowl with Bob. I am working on my knitting project, but I just realized I misread the instructions. So I have to do a bunch of ripping out and frogging back to the ribbing and yeah, start over again. At least I don't have to do the ribbing over again. Not looking forward to it, but yeah. All right. I'll be back. Hey everybody, it's Monday morning. It's 10 a.m. The cleaning ladies are here doing their job downstairs. They always start downstairs. Anyway, a little bit of a delay. But anyway, we're underway. I'm going to edit and load. I've got the YouTube video, the vlog, and I have 2 Patreon videos to do this morning. And then I'm going to sit and work on my knitting. I did do some sorting and cleaning up here earlier, and I also still need to do my daily drawing. So I guess I better stop yapping and get to it. I'll be back. All the videos are edited. The last one is rendering. And then we'll get them uploaded and scheduled to their proper locations. Yes, I'll be back. Spent most of the day knitting. Still working out the bugs out of that pattern. I'm going to sit tonight before I do anything else and make myself some notes on the pattern so that I have it straight up here. Because I do think I want to make it again. It's a challenge. It makes me focus and calm down and all the things. It is probably time that I do a few chores. Although the cleaning ladies we're here. They're here for the big things once a month, not the little things like dishes and laundry. That's my job. So yeah, it's nice to have a day every now and then where you can just sit and read a book or paint or draw or do needle crafts or something. I mean, it's a luxury. It doesn't happen often. But when it does, you just need to like roll with it and enjoy it and soak it up. Right? All right, I'll be back. Okay guys, hello. I would say good morning, but it's almost 3 o'clock. It is Wednesday, February 12th, I think. I almost said November, I know. If you heard that muffled sneezing in the background, Mr. is in his office and now he's doing the sneezing. The whole family's got the cold. I think I might have started it this time. Oops. Anyway. I went out and did some quick errands this morning and then came home, had some lunch, and I got a pair of cargo pants the other day when I was thrifting. A couple sizes too big for me, but I was able to basically punch a hole in the inside of the waistband right there, and then thread a piece of elastic into the back to tighten up the waistband because I want them kind of baggy. And then I just shortened them. And now they'll fit great. When I was out this morning, I found a couple tops and this beautiful, and I could take it in a little bit because it is a little bit loose around the waist, but it fits great around the bust. It is an Anne Klein brand. It was brand new with tags. It is a denim dress. Hold on. Hang on. Okay, it's an Anne Klein denim shift dress. It is a little loose around here, but it fits pretty good here and here. I could, of course, tighten it up. I'm not this fat. I just like baggy clothes. I could tighten it up, but I think I like it on the looser side. What do you all think? It doesn't have pockets down here, but it does have some up here. But I think we have a couple trips planned this summer, and I think it'll be good for one or both of them. With some little flats. Yeah, I think it's really cute. And again, it's an Anne Klein, and it was brand new with tags, and I paid less than $10 for it. So there you go. Anyway, I'm going to sit and work on my knitting project now. Daily drawing is done. Laundry is done. So I think that's all. Today's a relaxing chill day. Tomorrow, unless Junior's sick with this cold too, is a babysitting day. But I guess we'll see, because if he's sick with the cold and he's too sick to come over, that might be a thing. And I know Mommy and Daddy are getting it. I think Paulius actually had the sniffles first, but he never got very sick. And then I got pretty sick, and now Bob's... Anyway, we're passing it around right before heading to California for the funeral, because, you know... Anyway, all right, I'll be back. Okay, you guys, it's finally happening. We are getting snow, and it looks like it's gonna stick. Of course, this is happening the day before we're supposed to fly down for my cousin's funeral. We're only going for the day, but yeah, getting to and from the airport might be interesting tomorrow morning. But that's okay. We'll make it work. All right, I have a few more things to do before Junior gets here, because today is babysitting day. I'll be back. Hey guys, we are headed home. We're in California at the moment. I have a few random clips that you've already seen. We were at my cousin's funeral today. She was only 37 years old. And yeah. Anyway, it was pretty sad. But it was good to see the family, but I hate seeing them because of a funeral, because there's that. Oh yeah, anyway, we're gonna head home. Hopefully we get to the airport in enough time for the guys to get a beer, me to get some iced coffee or something at the gift shop, and yeah, then we're gonna go home. No, say how much is it?
$5 a gallon.
$5 a gallon.
$5 a gallon, dear.
It's only 3 something to home.
Yeah, it's $5 a gallon.
Well, it could be worse. Wow. So anyway, we're filling up the car before we return it to the rental car place. And yeah, I did do some knitting on the plane, and I'm just about to the end of the yoke part of the sweater, and I'm knitting it in the round. And so the next thing will be to attach the front to the back and do some stitches under the arms, which I don't know how to do. So I am going to have to Google some videos, because I have no idea. And I don't know when I'm going to do that. So we'll see. Probably not tonight, probably tomorrow. I'll be back. Guys, we got home from the funeral late last night, early this morning. We were up about 20 hours straight. Anyway, Dad is home safe. He got home today. Bob is downstairs sleeping. I have funeral leftovers. I have to... So I'll be filming this, but... And I've showed this before on my channel. I have this particular journal that's for remembrances of people who've passed. So I was raised Roman Catholic, and as part of tradition, we do what's called a funeral card, which is usually something with a picture on the front of some sort, and then the name of the person in the back with their birth and death date and something about them. So this is my cousin's front, and I'll be adding it to that book, along with a few other bits and pieces at some point. I will film it for you, and we'll talk about it more, but I also, on the way home, and I've been looking for something like this for a while, found this magnet that says California, with all these different little emblems from California on it. And what I do is I take these and I turn the little tiny charms into stitch markers. And I've done it with some things from one I found when, excuse me, when we were at the beach. I got one similar to that had a bunch of things from Oregon on it. So I took all the little charms off and I put them on one of these and turned them into stitch markers. And I can't, it's focusing on my face, not on it's a lighthouse. Anyway, there's a few of them in there. So I'm going to be doing those with that one. Put that up here so I don't lose track of where it is. Everybody remind me that it's right there. Mr. Bob caught the cold that we all have, only as per usual. It's gone straight to his ears. So his ears were popping the whole way on the plane, and he's downstairs taking a nap. I think we're going to try to take him to the doctor tomorrow, to the urgent care, because his ears are really bothering him. And before it becomes any worse than it is, let's go get it taken care of, right? All right, I've been doing some knitting, making good progress on the sweater. I got the yoke part of the sweater all knitted up and done while we were flying to and from the funeral. For those that don't know, I'm delving back into knitting. I was never really great at it, but I'm relearning things. And I'm doing a raglan sleeve sweater in the round, no seams. And so I got the top done after ripping it out like 3 times. And so I just cast on the extra stitches under the arm and joined the front to the back. And now I'm knitting the body. So we're going to babysit tonight so his parents can go on a little date. Another reason why Bob's taking a nap. And we're going to just hang out and chill. We did go to the grocery store, but we're exhausted from yesterday. Dad got home safely and it's all good. But yeah, we have to take him to get his ears checked tomorrow and then probably do one more errand. I don't think we're going to do a whole lot this weekend, especially if he's not feeling good. Because it's cold outside, because he's not feeling good, and because we don't want to. It sounds like a good idea to me. I don't know. All right, that's it for the minute. I'll be back. That turned out pretty good. All right. We'll go downstairs and continue knitting. That's what I forgot to do last night. Close the vlog. It is Sunday morning, February 16th. It's been a week. I think one of the reasons I forgot to close a vlog or film much the last couple days is just because of the funeral, the shock, the sadness. She was only 37 years old. That's just way too young. Anyway, and her family is grieving so hard. Anyway, I did manage to, I brought some knitting with me because of course that helps me deal with things, to bring a project with me, and needlework, crochet or knitting is easiest in my opinion to like bring with you when you're going anywhere, whether it's the doctor's office or a road trip or on a flight. It's easy for me to bring it with me. And yes, I do bring my bag with me to the doctor's office, not the grocery store. So I did get the yoke of my sweater finished, and I joined the front to the back, casting the sleeve holes, armholes off onto waste yarn. And so now I'm just knitting the body, and made pretty good progress. So there's that. But yeah, it's been difficult. So, but anyway, if I can be creative despite all of that, then I know you can. I know you can. It was a joy yesterday to sit with Junior and we watched Toy Story 3. Yes, I bribed him with TV to get him to eat some dinner. I'm not supposed to do that, but I did. Anyway, he's a joy to be around, and he certainly helps. So yeah, that's it for the moment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I sure would appreciate that. Leave any questions, comments, or concerns down below. I do answer all the comments. I try to at least heart them. And so you know I read it. If you're like, I'm too busy to like be creative even for 5 minutes. No, you're not. If I can manage it, you can manage it. I'm here to encourage you to do exactly that. So anyway, that's it for the moment and for this week. Hopefully the next week will be a little bit better. We're starting the day off with a doctor appointment, so I'm not so sure about that statement, but that's for next week's vlog. Anyway, I love you all dearly, and don't forget to go out and do something nice for yourself, because you deserve it, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.